Today we're delivering step-by-step instructions for you to route a door jamb for Endura Products Trilennium multi-point lock. These evolved strike plates are a unique and essential component for the Trilennium multi-point locking system and are designed for better adjustability, security, and door life. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need: a strike plate routing template from Endura, template inserts A and B, a hand router with a 1/2 inch outside diameter by 2 inch length router bit, one 5/8 inch outside diameter router bag. Step 1. Setting up the router. Set up your router with the guide collar and the 1/2 inch outside diameter router bit. Set the router bit depth to 25-30 seconds of an inch by using the guide on the back of the template labeled base. Step 2. Determining strike plate locations. Measure from the top of the door panel to the latch board. This is measurement X. Take measurement X and subtract 2 5/8 inches to get measurement Y. Now from the top of the jamb to measure down to Y to identify the location to the center of the middle strike plate. The center of the top strike will be 28 inches above the center line for the latch board. For the bottom strike center, it will be 23 1/8 inches below the center line for the center strike. Step 3. Placing the strike plate routing template. Place the base template over the center strike location, aligning the center line on the template with the center line of your central strike location. Use the screws provided to fasten the base template in place. Please note, for this video, we've pre-assembled our own strike plate routing template using threaded rods. Attach to the jamb by screwing in the rail system at the pre-milled holes shown here. Endura provides these kits for your ease of pre-assembly as well. Step 4. Routing the first pocket. Starting in the center of the template pocket, to prevent damage on the edges of the template, route before area within the parameters of the template pocket. Clear the debris from the router pocket before continuing to the next step. Step 5. Routing the second pocket. Change the router bit depth to 15/16 of an inch. Using the guide on the back of template insert A. Place insert A into the center of the base template. Route along the inner area of insert A. Step 6. Routing the third pocket. Change the router bit depth to 1 1/2 inch. Remove insert A and place template insert B along the center of the base. Route within the template parameters to make the deepest and final cut. Step 7. Repeat steps 4 through 6 for the bottom and upper strike location. Step 8. Remove the template by reversing the screws out of the jamb. Now your jamb is ready for the evolved multi-point strike plate assembly.